Hey Aquarius, this is Lisa from Fire Heart Tarot, and this is a Love for the Holidays reading. Alright, so this is the general energy of the reading, of the general energy. Holding out for a new beginning. What are you concentrating on? Oh, geez. So this is basically saying, it feels like things are popping right along and then you got betrayed in some way. Yeah, I think it had to do with money. So Four of Swords is taking care of yourself. You need rest and take care of yourself. So that's what you're focusing on. How to proceed. King of Swords. He is Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Oh, okay, that could be you. This is proceed to victory. King of Swords. That could be you. Victorious. Well, this is saying you will be victorious over indecision. I think you've just been focused on, you've been trying to ignore the situation, honestly, and focus on work. But the message is that you need to make the decision. What are the problems in this? The Emperor and the Chariot. I think the problem is you still can't figure out what you want. It says you need to be decisive and quickly. Your successes. Wowza. You know, I think what Spirit is trying to say here is, you just keep trucking on. You know, you got a broken heart, everything changed, and you just keep trucking on with something new. You know, you just keep going. And results. I think you wish things could be different. But I think you're focused on the good memories that you have. You know, and I think this is a matter of like the Star card and this is something before. Star card is like dreams coming true, Page of Swords. You know, I think in the past you've wished on a star, as it were. And it always brought you through the bad news and difficulties, but so this is you, after all of this, struggling for a new beginning. You're holding out for something new, definitely. You want to change everything, change how you do things, and move on. Okay, let's try this. Okay, and we'll do this one. And I gotta lift those up. I always forget you can't see them. We have seek and gratitude. Be grateful for abundance, live in appreciation for what you have, and more good things will come. So, seek gratitude. Seeking gratitude is a way to make things not look so bad. Because when you start to think of all the great things that you do have, it diminishes those bad feelings. It's a good thing. Flexibility. Gently flow through the turbulence. Life has the ability to shape you and bend. Don't break. Blossom. So this is flexibility will allow you to blossom. So, and I think this feels more like just let it go. You know, just stay in the moment, enjoy the moment, and just go to the next moment. So this is just breathe and expectation. Be open for whatever comes next. It might just be the music your heart's been waiting to hear. So this is just relax. Just relax. Rebuild. Find your heart's rhythm. Step lightly and swing with the melody. Close your eyes and let joy lead the way. So this is giving you an opportunity to be come to terms with what you're looking for, what you think you can expect, what you want, and how to just let it flow, how to just let life flow and not try to manage it to protect your heart, you know? All right, Aquarius, we will talk soon. Bye.